Hey folks, this is Imran from AllAboutAndroids.com, and today I'll be showing you how to unlock the bootloader for your ASUS TF300, as well as how to flash a custom recovery. We are all aware of Clockwork's mod recovery, which is famous for technically all devices. And for this video, I'll be trying out a new one made by Project Team Win. It's a touch-based interface for this recovery, and I've used it for a while, did a full backup of my stock ROM, and it works pretty fast. So let's get started. First thing you need is the APK tool given by ASUS, and I'll include the link down below. All you gotta do is download that, put it on your SD card, and install it. Now, before you install it, of course, make sure that you allow unknown sources. Unknown sources would be under security. Where is security? Right there. And check unknown sources. Okay, so that you can install this APK from ASUS. Now once you install it, it will show up here called Unlock Device. All you gotta do is hit that, and it will give you some agreements. Alright, there we go, that's what I wanted to see. So the first one you see is the actual license agreement telling you that when you run this tool, it unlocks the bootloader. This will void your warranty. Read it if you want, hit OK if you're willing to go through with the process. Again, another notice, they're telling you again, when you do this, you will void your warranty, blah blah blah, and you have to agree. Basically, hit agree and press to unlock your device. I've already done this. All you gotta do is press that. It will reboot your device automatically, and in the top left corner right here, you'll see one or two lines saying key to unlocking bootloader, okay, or something like that, and then after a while it will say the device is unlocked. And from now onwards, every time you boot up your device, so you turn it off, you boot it up, in the top corner you'll see your device is unlocked. So that's basically it. You have unlocked the bootloader. Now you can install a custom recovery. So for Team Win, there's two methods that you can use. I've tried the terminal method, just using a terminal emulator on the tablet itself. It worked great for me. There's another one that should be working, and I tried it out, but it was kind of iffy for me. It wasn't downloading the proper file, so that's why I just went through the other method. I'll just show you both. So all you gotta do is download the app called Goo Manager. It handles Goo Inside Me. That's the famous hosting website for developers where they keep Google apps, they keep packages, ROMs, etc. So to install this recovery, all you gotta do is hit the option button on the top and click install open recovery script. Once you do that, you gotta agree. You go yes, yes, it will download it and it will install it for you, and once you reboot, you will have the custom recovery. Well, I'll be showing you the ADB method as well. Actually, not the ADB method, just the terminal method. So the terminal method would be on the tablet. The ADB is on the computer, but I'm just gonna do it on the tablet itself. You have to have a terminal, and just go to the Play Store, download terminal. I have just the default one, and to begin this, of course you'll need to have root to actually grant it root permissions so that you can actually flash the custom recovery. But before we begin that, I have mentioned the file that we need to download. It's a blob file, and where's my file manager? Okay, so this file, you'll need to paste it in the root of the SD card. So it's gonna be under mount SD card right there, as you can see. And as you can see right here, it's called twrp.blob. That is not the actual file name. The file name is going to be open recovery -twrp ... etc. whatever the name is. Just rename that to twrp.blob. That's what you need, and it should be in the mount SD card. So just the root of the SD card. Now we're going to go to the terminal. Hit the terminal. And to begin, pretty simple, hit SU to enter SuperUser Mode. Once you're there, there'll be a prompt, allow or deny. Of course, I've hit allow. And this command, please make sure you type every single character correctly, because if you do screw up, you will damage the recovery partition on your tablet, and you don't want that to happen. So make sure that you type this exactly how it was meant to be typed. So we'll be putting the DD command. This is a copy and convert command. Pretty powerful tool. Okay, put a space, then you will put IF for input file. Alright, then we'll move on to equals. And where is the equal sign for this? The equal sign. Okay, we're gonna go back and we're gonna type slash, okay, SD card, all in one, okay. Then we're gonna go slash again, and we have named it TWRP, so we're gonna go TWRP dot, and it's a blob extension, okay. That's the first part of the command. Next, we're gonna press enter. We're gonna put OF for output file equals to slash, okay, dev slash block, okay, slash MMC BLK 0 P4. Please, again, make sure you have gotten every single character. I'll put down the command in the description down below. Make sure you have that. Once you press enter, it's going to run the command. Don't do anything else. You just wait until it finishes the process. And once you've done that, all you gotta do is reboot your device and it will flash the recovery for you. I've already done it, so I'm just going to reboot my device and show you the custom recovery, okay? So I'm just gonna hold the power right here, shut it down. Once you've shut it down, to enter the recovery, you will be holding on volume down and power. Once it boots into the traditional recovery menu, press volume up and it will take you to the Team Wins recovery. So I'm just gonna hold on power right here. Okay, power and volume down. Okay. Alright, and then press up. As soon as you see those texts, you press up. Volume up. And there we go. This is Team Wins recovery. So there we go. This is the interface, pretty easy to use. You can go to advanced, copy logs, fix permissions, full touchscreen base, so you get your home button, you get your back button right there. You can backup, restore, wipe, mount files. I'm just gonna go to backup. In backup, you can back up everything you want. You can back up the data, the personal data that you have, recovery, cache, everything. You can back up one shot. And what you can also do is do the MD5 checks. So it will check in case there's a corruption. Pretty nice interface. You can get like this cool swipe to back up, you know, like to use it as a whole is pretty sweet. Current bugs as of right now, you cannot reboot into recovery, so you cannot like hold on power button and reboot to recovery. As you've seen, it just shuts it down. And even if you use an app such as Reboot Recovery or ROM Toolbox as an option to as a reboot function, you can reboot to quick reboot, reboot recovery. That won't work. It will not go to recovery. I believe this is an issue with Clockworks mod as well. And as of right now, there's no external SD support within the recovery itself, so you wouldn't really be able to see the files within your SD card that you plugged in, not the internal, but your external SD card. Okay, and that's basically it. Now I'm just gonna turn it off. Okay, hit reboot, power off. Okay, so we can't really reboot like I've told you guys. And now in the top left, once I boot it up, you will see it will say the device is unlocked once it actually does boot up. There we go, the small string of text. And the device is unlocked. I will just boot into my stock ROM. And that's basically it for this video. I hope you like it. Please comment and subscribe. We'd really appreciate it. We also have a Facebook page, a Google Plus account, and a Twitter. Please add us there. This was Imran from AllAboutAndroids.com. Thanks.